Welcome to this tutorial on WordPress plugins. Plugins is just WordPress's way of saying apps. If you've got a mobile phone, you're probably well familiar with what I'm about to show you. It's pretty much the same sort of protocol as adding an application onto your WordPress website. So WordPress has a wealth of apps/plugins that do all sorts of things to help enhance your site. You can put things like contact forms, SEO applications. You can put sliders. You can put a membership platform. You can build a membership platform, e-commerce platform, and on and on. The sky is the limit when it comes to the plugin store. So how you access it is essentially via this plugins option, and a subtab called Add New. You'll enter this space here. It'll show you what the most popular tags that people are searching for. And let's just say I'm looking for a calendar app. I'm looking for the ability to add events to a calendar module and then have the ability to do X, Y, and Z within that calendar. People can subscribe to the calendar events by Google Calendar, whatever. Kind of an all-in-one solution. So I'm just going to go ahead and put event calendar into the search box here. And as soon as that loads, you're going to get a list of available applications. And just this is probably going to look familiar to you. You got a star rating behind the users that have used these particular applications. You can find out more information on the individual app by clicking details and reading the synopsis and other features that correspond to this particular plugin. You can see some screenshots, and there will often be several other tabs here, depending if they've been populated with content including reviews and FAQs and support and so on and so forth. This one called the Events Calendar is quite a popular one, so you can see how it has some extra tabs in here, whatever the developer wants to plug into. If you want to see more details on these reviews, you can always visit the application/plugins listing in the WordPress plugin directory, and then you can see a little bit more options here. You can view the reviews that people have listed. You can see one guy's not happy with that particular plugin, but many others are. So how do you install this sucker? Well, you can see there's an install now button once you hit the details screen, so you can certainly do that. But there's if you just want to bypass that and just install it without even hitting the details, you read the synopsis and that's good enough for you. Review looks great. Just hit install now. It's going to ask you if you're sure to install this plugin. Of course, you hit OK. It's going to install it on the server side, so it's going to actually upload that application into your server. It's going to, basically do everything that needs to be done in order to get it ready to be implemented on your website. But there's still one more step. A really cool feature about WordPress is you can activate and deactivate plugins. So this plugin may be installed, but it's not activated, so it hasn't taken full effect on your website yet. You still need to click the Activate Plugin option before it actually starts running. So click Activate, and voila, once this loads, probably prematurely use the word voila, but as soon as this loads, looks like I got a little bit of a slow connection, it will be officially, and there we go, it'll be officially in, and you see it added an events little panel here. It'll be officially on your website, activated. Now, for whatever reason, if you decide, you know what, I don't want to use this application for now, but I don't want to fully delete it, just disable it. Find the plugin that you're using and simply deactivate it. Again, this is in the landing page for plugins. Just hit that option there, and then it's gone. And if you want to bring it back, it's as easy as clicking activate. Of course, you can delete it outright if you want it completely off your server, and just making your server space a lot cleaner and tidier than it was before you activated it. So that's how you activate and deactivate plugins, and that's the basic kind of gist of how plugins work in WordPress. Thank you for joining us. We will see you in the next one.